Before relying on Grok as your main guide, it helps to treat it as a powerful but imperfect assistant rather than an infallible expert. Here are the 5 key things to consider before using Grok as a guide. 1. Grok can be wrong or outdated. Like any AI, Grok can generate incorrect or plausible sounding answers, especially on niche, technical, or rapidly changing topics. Always cross-check important facts, dates, numbers, and legal or medical advice against trusted sources before acting on them. 2. Tone and style may be too casual or opinionated. Grok is designed to be conversational and sometimes humorous, which can slip into sarcasm or strong opinions. This can be entertaining, but it may not suit formal, academic, or highly professional contexts, so you should review and edit its output accordingly. 3. Data freshness depends on its training and integration. Grok is connected to X, Twitter, and can pull very recent public post data, which is great for news and trends, but it may still miss private source updates, regional nuances, or paywalled information. Be cautious if you're making time-sensitive decisions, e.g., investing or crisis response, and double-check events on official or local news outlets. 4. Bias and perspective follow its training data. Grok's responses inherit biases present in the data it was trained on, including social, political, and cultural slants. It may overemphasize certain viewpoints or downplay others, so you should read critically and seek diverse sources where stakes are high, for instance, policy, research, ethics. 5. Privacy and data handling boundaries. Grok runs inside X, formerly Twitter, its ecosystem, and how it stores or uses your prompts and data depends on excess privacy and terms of service policies. Avoid feeding it highly sensitive personal information, full IDs, passwords, confidential business plans, unless you are comfortable with excess data practices. In short, use Grok as a fast idea generator and rough guide, but remain the final editor, fact-checker, and decision-maker. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, comment, like, and turn on the notification bell for more information, educative and engaging content.